Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel, where we bring you all the tips and tricks to make your RV journey smoother and more enjoyable. Today, we'll be diving into the topic of RV weather coating and why it's crucial for protecting your beloved home on wheels. As we hit the road in our RVs, we often encounter various weather conditions: intense sunlight, heavy rain, snow, and even hailstorms. These elements can pose a threat to the exterior of our vehicles, potentially leading to costly damages. That's where RV weather coating comes to the rescue. RV weather coating is a specially formulated protective layer that is applied to the exterior of your RV. It acts as a shield against UV rays, moisture, and other environmental factors that can tarnish the appearance and integrity of your RV. With proper weather coating, you can extend the lifespan of your RV and keep it looking new for years to come. One of the major benefits of RV weather coating is its ability to prevent water damage. Rainwater can seep into cracks and crevices, leading to mold, mildew, and structural decay. The high-quality weather coating creates a waterproof barrier, ensuring that water stays out and your RV remains dry and mold-free. Another advantage of RV weather coating is its sun-reflective properties. The intense heat of the sun can cause the temperature inside your RV to soar, making it uncomfortable and even damaging the interior components. By applying a weather coating with reflective properties, you can significantly reduce the heat absorption, keeping your RV cooler and ultimately reducing your energy consumption. When choosing an RV weather coating, look for a product that is easy to apply and long-lasting. Many coatings are specifically designed for RVs, offering durability and resistance to fading. Additionally, consider the climate you'll be traveling in most frequently. Some coatings are formulated for extreme weather conditions, while others are better suited for moderate climates. Proper maintenance is also essential to ensure the longevity of your RV weather coating. Regularly inspect your coating for any signs of wear or damage, and reapply as needed. Additionally, wash your RV regularly to remove dirt and debris that can compromise the effectiveness of the coating. In conclusion, investing in RV weather coating is a smart decision for any RV owner. Not only does it protect your investment from the unpredictable elements, but it also enhances the aesthetic appeal and comfort of your RV. So, before you hit the road again, take the time to research and choose the right weather coating for your home on wheels. That's all for today's article, RV enthusiasts. We hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel for more valuable tips and tricks. Safe travels and happy RVing.